Hi class, I'm Elizabeth Grant and I'm going to be your instructor this semester for your virtual public speaking class, Speech 131. I wanted to say hello and tell you a little bit about what the expectations are going to be next week when we get started. I am going to treat this like class, so I will expect regular attendance. You are going to be able to access a Zoom link by going to Blackboard. So I wanted just to demonstrate that real quick. This may be a review for returning students, but you're going to use BlazerNet credentials to get into Blackboard. And let me show you my screen. And so if you look at one of my classes, I'll show you where you're going to find your Zoom link. Your Zoom link is going to be on the left under Zoom. I don't have all my classes set up yet, but I'm not allowed to email you Zoom links because of privacy issues. So they have to be housed in Blackboard. So if you go to this area, you're going to see right here, the first option you have is Zoom link for class. You will click on that each class day and that will let you in. So try to be there on time and ready and have a book. So this book is available for rent. I don't think you need to buy it. If you rent it, it's around $20. If you rent it through Amazon, it might even be a little less. You don't need Launchpad access. So if they ask you that, you don't need that. If you get the ebook, it might come with it, but that's not a requirement for the course. So if you'll have your book ready every class, if you'll have a piece of paper and a pencil ready, I would take notes. You're going to get to use your notes on the final exam. And it's going to be just like a class that you're used to. I hope it's going to be interactive. That's what I'm going for. We have about 15 people in the class. So it's going to feel pretty small, I hope, and inviting. So I'm going to ask that you enable your camera. You might have to use your phone to do that. That's fine if you Zoom through your phone. And your audio and your video for class. I do also think it's good to be on gallery view so that you can see the other people who are in the class with us. So I will see you next week. If you have any questions, I would practice getting on Blackboard now so that if you have any questions, you can call the help desk 468-HELP and they will coach you through getting on. Remember that I am only an email away. I'm going to attach our course outline to this email, but I'm not expecting you to have read it and memorized it or anything by next week. I just wanted you to have it if you want to look at it. If you have questions when you do, just shoot me an email and I pride myself on getting back to you really quickly. So again, I want you to know that I have your back. I want you to have a good semester. It is my goal that we will practice before the 3 main speeches so that you will be confident. I know that since I've been teaching this way since March, some students report that they have less anxiety with Zoom and some report that they have more. So I don't know where you are on that continuum, but wherever you reside, we can hopefully move you toward confidence this semester. This is a beginning speech class and we will practice together. We will get better together and I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too. I'll see you next week. Bye.